Hello team, morning, welcome back. It's Wednesday, May 6th. I'm back finally in Europe and also back to trading because I took a little break, like a big break, at least a month, I don't know how long. And I've been studying and I've been reviewing the things I do for trading, and honestly, I arrived at the conclusion I'm not going to change my system and the way I trade. I just will probably add some more instrument because I don't want to be stuck on euro when euro doesn't do shit. And I will also add some little sentiment analysis, not fundamental analysis like this thing is going to go to 1-2 or 1-3, like in 6 months. I cannot do that. But sentiment analysis will be done, and it's a bit too soon to say, but I'm working on a tool that I can also share online. I don't care once it's done. But yeah, just to give you like a little bit of intro of what I've been doing this past time. Anyway, it looks like that there is a pretty much quiet date. I don't know if this is like the real NFP. Doesn't look like. Also, it's not red, so it cannot be the real one. This is the real one. Yeah, I will not trade live for at least till Monday. I want to take 2-3 days of charts, just looking at charts and doing my analysis and see if I can be aligned with price action, and then I will likely come back live. Also, I didn't touch this thing from I stopped trading basically like a month, yeah, like 40 days or so, and look, still didn't move that much. I mean, this word is not optimal. Yeah, 400 pips is not bad. Anyway, let's start with monthly. Honestly, the way the BMS this swing low, it's kind of bullish. Still like unclear what they're gonna do. I think a lot depends by the war. But right now, the bearishness I see here when I was distributing, it's not 100% confirmed yet, It will make sense for them to send it lower, but also, I don't know, they're accumulating below the resistance, and when they do that, sometimes they shoot up, So, yeah. On high time frame, I don't have like a clear read of what they're gonna do. That's what I mean. As of now, this is like a bullish QM. What are my instruments? Oh wait, sorry. So this is a bullish QM. I know this is not a real BMS, but on some time frame is a BMS. So yeah, this one can send it higher, Let's go on hourly. It is an H4 BMS. They BMS'd. Again, where are my favorites? Here. So yeah, technically it's kind of bullish right now, especially hourly. Hourly looks like they're printing higher and higher lows. This is bullish, guys. When you see that they BMS and then they BMS back, this is bullish to me. But we are at resistance, so I don't know. I wouldn't feel like extremely happy to blindly long. At least here, which is an untested resistance, bearish order block, beautiful executed, with a flat top, sorry. So yeah, let me see. Changing things here. So on a lower time frame, which is M15, the lower I will play, I can see them to push higher. This looks like a market maker buy model. And I think at least till here, I can see them delivering. I will be confident until this bearish of the block. So yeah, I would look for longs, to be honest. If I were in you, I'm not going to trade again. Even if I see something extremely stupid, I'm not going to touch it. I promise you. I want to be disciplined much more than I used to be, and yeah, I will look for longs into this area. But yeah, waiting something extremely clean. Also, as of now, the how much is it? Yeah, it's 50 pips candle already. Not bad. Daily is not bad. Yeah, because of this spike. Who knows if it was some war related or whatever. This one actually. Anyway, if they go lower into this area, I should offer support. Anyway, that's enough for me for today, guys. As I said, I'm not going to trade live. I will talk to you soon tomorrow. I will monitor the situation, see if I'm in sync. And these are the instruments I want to look at from now on. The US indexes, gold, and oil. Well, these are the indexes that I've been looking around the last month. And I don't want to force my way in euro when euro does shit, because many times euro stops and I don't want to feel like forced to trade only euro. And yeah, let's see. I talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.